Hey everyone, I'm really excited today to check out another quality inner city home built by Cambridge Homes. You know what, this one's in Tuxedo. It has over 1,600 square feet above grade, and get this, an attached garage to park your car inside during the winters. Let's go inside and take a look. This luxury townhome features high-end finishings and modern design. Open concept main floor with living, dining, and kitchen, and the west-facing balcony. The upstairs features 2 master bedrooms with walk-in closets and attached washrooms. I hope you enjoyed that tour of Cambridge Homes' latest inner city project. If you're looking for more information on it, please follow InfoHub on Instagram.